Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily Wamboy and this is Busy at Home. My job here is to inspire you and to equip you so that you're able to love your friends and family by cooking them some delicious meals. Yes, we cook delicious meals here. Welcome back. Here we believe that food is God's gift to us and we can give it freely to those that are around us, and we can love others through this beautiful gift of food. So this Nairobi weather, we need to talk about it. Yes, this weather is no joke, but I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe. It's a pumpkin soup recipe. Yes, pumpkins. I said it, Kenyans, pumpkins. I know you don't like pumpkins, but this recipe, add on the cumin. Add on the cream. Yes. And to top it all off, I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe that you can make in just a snap. It's a cornbread recipe, and you combine these two together. Pumpkin soup, cornbread, bam, magic. It's beautiful and I hope you'll enjoy it. So first things first, I'm going to fry a whole onion that I've sliced, and I'm going to add a bit of garlic and ginger paste. That's like 1.5 teaspoons. The garlic just gives us this amazing flavor, and then the ginger gives us this warmth, and we need that warmth for this cold season. Next, we're going to add cumin. That's 1.5 teaspoons. Cumin and pumpkin go really well together. It's actually quite important here. So one thing I've found is that for people who don't like pumpkins, this is like a whole new experience for them. So try it. If you don't like pumpkins, just try it. You'll never know if you don't try. So let me know what other ingredients don't you like, and maybe we can try and help you like them. For one, I don't like peas, but I find if I make a soup out of peas, it's absolutely delicious. So let me know in the comments below. So when you're making pumpkin soup, you can use a couple of different vegetables. You can use celery, you can use carrots, sweet potato. It just depends on the combination that you like. I like potatoes because it helps to thicken the soup. Pumpkins are not really a thickener, and potato, especially if you want to have this for lunch or dinner, the potatoes give it the weight that it needs. So give your potatoes a bit of a head start because pumpkins will cook faster than potatoes. So you want to give the potatoes a bit more time to cook, and then you can add in your pumpkin and some water. First of all, let me laugh at myself because you don't need that much water. I don't know what the Kikuyu in me was thinking. You only need enough water like that to cover the food. Don't add any more water. You can add the water when the soup is blending. Why now? Why, Emily? Why? So bring the soup to a complete boil and then lower the heat and cook or simmer the soup until it is completely cooked. That means the potatoes are breaking very easily, and also the pumpkin, so that it's much easier to blend. Are you seeing how much water I used? Oh man, I had to put some of it aside so that I could cook with it something else, but I don't make my mistake. It was still yummy though. So you can use either regular cream or some coconut cream or milk, either just tastes good, or you can just eat it like that if you don't like either of them. But I like cream. I like cream in my pumpkin soup. Oh, it just makes it so luscious. Is that the word? So now it's time to make the cornbread. And the first thing that I did was to preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. That's a bit hotter than what you'd normally bake with. And then also I have buttered my tin. You can use any kind of tin that you have, but make sure you butter it well so that the cornbread does not stick. And you probably have all of these ingredients in your kitchen. The full recipe is in the description below. Just make sure there are no flour lumps. That's all you need. You don't need to whisk this for a very long time. So you don't need to use even a mixer. Just use your hand. And as long as you don't see any flour pockets, you are good to go. This is amazing. Oh, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It goes a long way in helping to support us, and it costs you nothing. Really, it costs you nothing. Just like a second. Just click it. Just click it. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time, and bye bye. Don't let the weather bite.